All right, folks, let's get on these leg quarters, get them cleaned up, get them out of the bag, and just rinse them off. No big deal. I like to put a little screen in my sink so nothing goes down the garbage disposal. So you might want to get one of those. But just rinse them off and get yourself a nice, sharp, sturdy knife. Don't use a cheap one. And the first thing you're going to do is get this excess skin off the back of the thigh. Then you're going to separate the backbone from the thigh. I just try to get as close to that backbone as possible. Now, if there's anything hanging off that you don't like, that you don't, doesn't look good to you, just cut it off. All right, then we're going to separate the leg from the thigh. And I'll give you a couple pointers on this. There's really nothing to getting off this excess skin. Just take the stuff off that doesn't look appealing to you. That's all. And it's all different. Everyone's different. Depends, some have more than others. Depends on the brand you buy, I guess, too, and who's cleaning them at the factory. Now, get right along the backbone. There is a thigh bone that goes into the backbone. There's a knuckle, and you want to get your knife right between the knuckle. And boom, once you find that little knuckle, it pops right apart. Same thing with the leg. There's a leg bone that goes into the thigh bone. Get in between the knuckle, and it separates real easy. And once you do a few of these, you'll get the hang of it. And if it's not cutting through, you're not on the knuckle. You need to find the sweet spot. There's like a ball that goes into a socket, and you can get your knife in between them. And there's one in the backbone, and there's one in the thigh bone. So you'll be able to do that. After you do a few of them, you'll get the hang of it. So get them all cleaned. Now, I'm a little OCD. You don't have to do this. But I just basically wanted to count how many I have so I can figure out how many plastic bags I need. So go get yourself some Ziploc freezer bags, okay? And first thing you want to do is save the backbones because we're going to use these, all right? And what I'm going to do with these is make chicken soup. And you'll be amazed how much meat comes off those backbones. We're going to do a traditional chicken noodle soup, kind of like Campbell's, but way better. If you're gluten-free, don't add the noodles or get yourself some gluten-free noodles. And we're also going to be doing a chicken vegetable soup, and this stuff is amazing. And I'll have the links for both of these videos down below in the comments. All right, check that out. Oh, that was so good. So go ahead and package these up as you see fit. I'm going to put 4 in each bag. Now, the reason I'm doing that is, okay, fine, I'll cook 4 legs or 4 thighs at a time. If I need more, I can thaw out another bag because we're going to freeze these, right? If you put them all in like a 1-gallon bag and you only need 3, 4, 5, 6 chicken legs, you have to thaw out the whole package to get them out. So that's why I do them in smaller bags. So if I need more, we can go ahead and grab 2 bags, 3 bags, whatever is necessary. But if I only want 1 bag, I don't have to thaw everything out. All right. And once you get them bagged up, now you got to get them sealed, and this is important. Get as much air out of the bag as possible. All right. The more air that's in the bag, the easier it is to freezer burn. The less air, the longer they'll stay in the freezer. And how I do that is I take the bag and I take the Ziploc and I close it about 3/4 of the way. And I leave a little opening so the air can escape. See, I go about 3/4 of the way and stop. Then I just squeeze the air out of the chicken area, push it towards the top, fold it over, close it, boom, you're done. Just go ahead and package up all your chicken that way, and it'll be ready for the freezer. Piece of cake, right? All right, so if you like these videos and you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Check out the soup videos in the comments. I will also be doing another video on how to save money and how to clean split chicken breasts. So look for that video real soon.